What's up, guys? This is Josh here, and these are the best credit cards that you can have in 2022, and I'm starting right now. First, I did a lot of research on a lot of different credit cards, and I mean a lot of them. And this video is not like other YouTube videos or other websites that's pushing out credit cards to you, because first, I'm not receiving a commission or a referral for recommending these cards to you here today. However, after much research and looking at different credit cards, I came out with my top 5, and I wanted to share them with you on this video here today. And yes, there are a lot of cards out there, but this is my short list that I came up with for you today. So the first card on the list would be the Chase Freedom Unlimited. And the reason that I chose this card to be included on my short list is because first, you can earn $200 bonus back after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of you opening up your account. And you can also earn 5% cash back on groceries, and that's almost taking care of taxes whenever you think about it. That's not including Target or Walmart though. And you get 5% back on travel, 3% back on dining and drugstore purchases, and also 1% back on everything else. And this card carries a 0% APR for 15 months. And yes, this also includes balance transfers with no annual fees, because a lot of times those annual fees can eat you up. So that's a great thing. Secondly, in 2022, I would recommend the Citi Double Cashback card. Now, this card also has a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months and no annual fees. And you can also earn 2% back on any purchases, with a 1% back when you buy, plus an additional 1% whenever you pay for those purchases. So you're getting all of these deals on top of deals. And you will at least need a credit score of 690 in order to qualify for this card. And the next card on my short list is the Apple MasterCard. With Apple, you don't have to pay any annual fees, no late fees, no foreign transaction fees. We're talking about a card with no fees, and they advertise it just like that. You have absolutely no fees, and you can also receive 3% cash back on every purchase that you make. And it's like real cash. It's unlimited, and you can get it every single day. There's no cap, no limit. And whenever you apply for this card, it doesn't affect your credit score, not until you accept the terms and conditions of the card. So this is a great card just to apply for, to see what they're offering you, what type of percentage rate, if it's really the right card for you. Because if you say no, literally you can walk away and there's no spot, no blemish or anything else on your credit score for you trying to open up a revolving line of credit. And the next card that I have on my short list today is the Bank of America credit card. Now, this is a powerful credit card that comes with a 0% APR for 18 billing cycles for any balance transfers made within the first 60 days, as well as a 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles for all purchases as well. Now, with that lengthy intro period, 18 months, that's almost a year and a half, that can also provide you breathing room in order to pay down debt. So if you have a card with a higher interest rate, you can put it on that card and just knock it out within like 17 and a half months. And that way you don't have to pay interest. And a lot of times that's saving you so much money whenever you don't have to put all of your money going back out to interest. Because paying down debt can be hard when most of your payments are going toward interest. That's why next on the list, I included the Discover It Balance Transfer card. You can transfer your debt to this card and pay 0% for 18 months. And that's if it's transferred right now before April the 10th of 2022. And also you will receive a 0% APR on purchases made within the first 6 months. And you can also earn 5% back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, places like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and even whenever you decide to use PayPal. And at the end of the year, I love this part because they will match your cash back dollar to dollar at the end of the year, meaning you can turn $300 into $600 just like that. So which one of those cards are your favorite, or do you think there's another card that deserves to be on the list? Let me know in the comment section down below. Check out the top video over there where I share my short list on prepaid debit cards. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.